I paused for a minute, I couldn't believe it. I kept my cool so my girl just wouldn't see it. She said, I'm sorry, but there's something you should know. This is what she said to me. I can't let you go, no I can't let you go. She said, I'm having such a hard time. Then I heard, I can't let you go, I just can't let you go. And then she said, I think I'm losing my mind, 'cause I still love you. This I must confess, I guess I still need you. I feel I have to tell you this again. Yes, I still want you. No, this wasn't in my plan. So if I've interrupted anything, I promise I won't call you again.
Look, I know we've been friends for a while now, but I just feel I can confess to you. It's gonna be hard, but alright, here goes.
Imagine if the pillow that you cried on was my chest, and the tissue that you wiped your face with was my hand. Girl, imagine if you needed advice about some other guy. I'm the one that comes to mind. Not trying to hear you tell nobody that I'm just a friend, just trying to make sure I'm that body that you call your man. And anytime you need a shoulder, it sure's night or day. But what I'm trying to say is I wanna be the last number you call late at night. Said I wanna be everything that you done.
Your cruel device, your blood like ice. One look could kill my pain, your thrill. I wanna love you, but I better not touch. I wanna hold you, but my senses tell me to stop. I wanna kiss you, but I want it too much. I wanna taste you, but your lips are the most poison. Your poison running through my veins. Your poison. I don't wanna break this chain.
And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I could taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your light. And sooner or later it's over, I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming, all the moment of truth in your lies. When everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know